Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip. More and more software are offering a dark mode setting where the main background is displayed in darker colors. PolyWorks does not yet offer that, but there are ways to change the background colors to darker shades. If you're using PolyWorks 2023 or older, you can navigate to Tools, Options. If you're using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, you can navigate to File, Options. Within your Options window, navigate to Display and click on Interface Colors. And you'll see there are two settings here for adjusting the background colors, and they're currently set to gray and white. Maybe for my dark mode, I'll set them to be black and a dark gray. Apply the settings, press OK, and now I have my dark mode. Thank you for watching.